Welcome to FATW Insights Daily Iron Ore or Steel Updates, the 22nd of July 2025. Hi, I'm Shruti. Let's begin with today's key updates from the iron ore and steel market. Today, BCE iron ore futures continued their strong upward trend, with the most traded contract September 2025 surging to 835 yuan and 50 fen per WMT in the afternoon before pulling back to close at 823 yuan per WMT, marking a daily gain of 2.49%. SGX traded September futures at around $105.70 per DMT, increased 2.1% levels CFR China for 62% FA during noon hours closing. Today traders experienced a prices jump of 107 levels to lower 103.65 levels, however getting stabilized to 105 to 106 levels in the noon hours closing. Traders actively participated in booking futures contracts, seeing the optimism in China demand fundamentals. Coming to China iron ore market, traders actively offloaded positions, while speculative trading remained weak. Some steel mills purchased as needed, but most adopted a cautious wait-and-see approach with weak purchase willingness. Market transaction sentiment was moderate. Anti-rat race policies coupled with mega project stimulus fueled the market sentiment in the ferrous metals series, driving futures sharply higher. Iron ore prices have reached elevated levels, amplifying market jitters over the rally. Given intensifying policy uncertainties and limited fundamental demand support, near-term upside appears constrained, warranting cautious positioning. Turning to the India domestic market, today, domestic steel prices are on downtrend, driven by weaker demand. Pellet prices in India varies between 7,900 rupees to 8,000 rupees per ton, ex-Barbil. Pellet sponge trading levels around 23,800 rupees to 23,900 in Raipur, showing a stable movement. Domestic billet trading levels in Raipur at 36,300 rupees to 36,400. Rebar trading levels at Raipur 39,000 rupees to 39,100 for the grade FA 500. However, in southern India the trading levels between rupees 44,600 to 45,200, showing almost stable market. In top headlines, India needs to be vigilant against cheap imports of steel that may flood the country, according to Jayant Acharya, Joint Managing Director of JSW Steel Limited. Major steel producers in Jharkhand well placed to meet decarbonization goals. June 25 core sector recovers to 1.71%, cement and steel shine. India, iron ore finds exports hit 5-month high, prices up $2 per ton week on week. Thank you for watching. Stay informed and stay ahead with FATW Insights. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.